with him about acquisition of land? Ilang beses nyo na po sila nakita? Would it be more than 10 times?
Hindi ko na po kayo mag-elaborate pa naman ang question niyo. Masarado po yung pakiramdam po.
Mr. Chair, the resource person is manifesting that he's not feeling well.
Okay, maybe ask the House Doctor to please check on 1 minute suspension. Ibigay nyo nga ng tubig muna si Mayor. Bigyan ko nurse, dito yung nurse kanina eh. Nakakain na po ba kayo, Mayor?
Hawak pa ng tawag mo na.
Hearing is resumed. So in the meantime, habang nagpapahinga si former Mayor Kumang, we can proceed with the other resource persons. Commission 1.